Hello everyone, this is question number 162, lead code, find the peak element. So the question states that you have given an array and you have to find a peak element, means the element which is greater than its neighborhoods. It's like 3 is greater than 2 as well as 1, so 3 is the peak element. And the question also states that the index which are not defined, just like index less than 0 is minus infinity, and index greater than size of array is also minus 1. So if here is not 2, means a number that is less than 1, then 1 is also become the peak. So how can we solve this? So let's assume that there is a peak. It is called the peak element, means the element before the peak element is less than the peak, and after the peak this is also less. It's like 3, after 3 the 1 is less than 3, and before 3 2 and 1 is also less than 3. So we have just assumed that here is the left and here is the right. So first we have find the mid. Let's assume that mid appears here. So if mid appears here, then you have to check that if mid plus 1 is less than mid or greater than mid. So in that condition the nums of mid is greater than nums of mid plus 1. So we have only what we have to do, then we have assume that right is equal to mid, because this can also be a chance to become the peak element. That's why we can make right is equal to mid. But if mid can appear here, so then then the mid plus 1 is greater than mid. So it means mid plus 1 is greater than mid. So we can left is equal to mid plus 1, because mid plus 1 have the chance to become the peak element, and here mid have the chance to become the right element, because mid plus 1 is less than mid. So mid is highest, and here mid plus 1 is highest. So left is equal to mid plus 1 and right is equal to mid. So just by doing you can get your mid, and after that we have to return left index. Why left index? Because right is equal to mid, and this can be peak or this cannot be peak, but left is equal to mid plus 1. So when they both cross each other, then left become that element which is the peak element. So here is the code for that solution. Also, if there are multiple peaks, so you only have to return the only one peak. That's state the question. You can assume left, right. By your solution it can become right here, left here. It compromise itself and become the peak. So here is the code. Let's see. First see the question, that a question states that a peak element is an element that is strictly greater than its neighbor. Given a zero-base induction array, find a peak element and return its index. If the array contains multiple peaks, return the index of any of the peak. You may imagine that the nums minus 1 is equal to nums n is equal to minus infinity. Means the nums of minus 1 index is minus infinity, and nums of n dot size is also infinity. Okay, so here is the solution. We assume left is equal to 0, right is equal to nums dot size minus 1. Why left is less than right? Let's assume if the array has only single elements, then left is also this and right is also this. So we don't have to check the condition, so that's why we return left is less than right. So already it can return the left. No while condition will be run if array has a single elements. Okay, so int is equal to mid is equal to left plus right minus left divided by 2. This is for the not it overflow. Okay, so if nums of mid is less than nums of mid plus 1, so this is the condition of increasing curve. So we can only do left is equal to mid plus 1, else it is the condition of decreasing curve, right is equal to mid, and return left. So left is the index we can return, and your code can run, and it beats 100% in the time complexity as well as 100% in the space complexity. Thank you.